Moaning all night.
Oh, snoring, mate. I was poking your back. I was like,
I don't fucking know.
And then Aldo, poor Aldo, you mowed it in once, and then he took his sleeping bag and roll mat outside and slept in the corridor.
The reason is because he gets his head down so quickly.
Yeah, but the only reason that you're pissed off is because you don't
how
get
do
your
you
head down
sleep
first.
like that?
No,
it pisses me off. He just like bang.
But then
I'm quick at home, but out here, I don't know why.
As soon as I got out the room,
literally, I was like, fucking, I'm not even asleep.
as soon as I got out the room, all I heard was snoring coming from inside the room.
Yeah, it was him. To be fair, Karl was getting a big old snore up and all.
Mate, why are you such a light sleeper?
Don't know, mate. Does my nutting.
Always,
Yeah. It's a massive problem with me.
You're a massive problem for us.